Today, parts of our range are used in trucks. For example, Steffi Halm currently uses febi brake discs in her Iveco. These are commercially available brake discs that are slightly reworked, but are basically the same part as the one we also offer in the international market. This means that our brake parts are very intensely tested on the racetrack. The febi brake disc in particular has now proven itself in many race trucks. For instance, the standard brake discs from febi have proven to be very successful in our truck racing team. We've driven them to the point the discs are glowing cherry red on the track, and the discs did an excellent job. The quality is great.
We have brake discs that are, of course, incredibly stressed in truck racing. In other words, the brake disc temperature reached while driving in a race won't be reached in a normal truck. That means that what works here works 50 times on the road. We can drive the entire weekend with the discs without experiencing any problems. And that's the most important thing, because it's dangerous when a disc breaks and the race is over. That is why reliability counts. The most important thing for us is that the parts work and that they work throughout the duration of the race.